Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture on financial services marketing theory for our module of marketing for financial services, whereby here we are basically looking at the 7 P's of financial services marketing. So in our previous lecture, you remember us looking at the characteristics of financial services, whereby we're looking at the intangibility, heterogeneity, perishability, as well as inseparability. So because of those characteristics of financial services, there is a financial theory which is called the 7 P's of financial services marketing. Well, what is let's just look at first looking at the definition of a marketing mix. So a marketing mix is basically a combination of factors that can be controlled by a company to influence customers to purchase its products. So we are saying a marketing mix is that combination of various factors that can be influenced by a financial services provider in order to encourage or to entice the customers to buy its products or its products and services. So a marketing mix can also be defined as a set of marketing tools that a business uses to sell its products and service to its target customers. So we are saying these are like the marketing gadgets or the marketing tools that a certain business or a financial service providers have at its disposal and can use in order to sell its products and services to its target market. Okay, let's look at the traditional 4 P's of marketing, or the traditional 4 P's of marketing mix. So this we are saying traditional 4 P's in the sense that these 4 P's they can also apply to the marketing of products as well. Traditionally, these applies to both the services marketing and product marketing, and these 4 P's are product, price, place, and promotion. You can see that they've been called 4 P's in the sense that in the sense that all of them start with a P. So we have product, price, place, and promotion. So what is a product? So a product is a good or service that is provided to the customer as per the customer's requirements or as per the customer's expectations. And what is a place? A place is usually a physical location or the convenient place or the convenient location where the customer is able to buy or is able to obtain a certain product or service from the financial services provider. And what is the price? The price actually is that quantity that is attached to a product or services, and which gives that product or service a value, or it is the monetary value that is attached to a particular financial product or service. And what is promotion? Promotion actually deals with the marketing part, that is advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, even social media marketing, that an organization can use to communicate the usefulness or the benefits of that particular financial service or that particular financial product to its target market. So we said these 4 P's that we have looked at basically applies to both the services marketing and the goods marketing. But now for services marketing, because of its unique characteristics of that perishability, intangibility, heterogeneity, inseparability, we have to add 3 more P's. That is where the 7 P's of marketing next come into play, because for the services marketing you have to include 3 more P's, which is people, the processes, and the physical evidence. So the people, basically here we are saying the people we are putting into consideration, these are not the consumers, but these are the employees of a certain company that is providing that particular financial services in the market. So in order for the financial services providers to sell their product or service, or their service rather, to the market, they need the employees, the sales force or the sales staff. And they always say for the sales staff to sell that particular service to the customers, they need to be happy. So as they always say, a happy employee is a satisfied employee. So we are saying the people here, we are not looking at the customers, but we are looking at the employees, basically the service staff that are employed by that company in order to sell the service. We also have the processes. This is the process. Now we are looking at the distribution channel, whereby we are saying how is the service going to move from the supplier to the final consumer? Is it that we can use the traditional distribution channel, but we're saying using middlemen, the retailers and the wholesalers, in order to get our service to the customers? Or we can just do direct marketing, whereby we are saying we are providing the service directly to the customers, like what most financial services providers do, like the insurance the companies, they just give their insurance service directly to the customers through their own sales force. Also, you have the physical evidence. So we are saying we are saying the physical evidence is the proof now of the transaction that have been involved in the financial services delivered. We are saying this is the proof of purchase, or the proof of issuance, or the proof that the customer have an account with a particular financial services provider. So we are saying an example is an insurance company would give customers some form of prepaid material in the form of insurance policies, is a proof that indeed this customer is a bona fide customer in that particular industry, in that particular financial services business. So let's look at all the 7P's combined, or the 7P's of the marketing mix. We have as we have highlighted, they are called the 7P's now because all of them start with a letter P. So we have the first one, which is place. We also have, we say this is the physical location where the financial services product is to be obtained by the customers. The people, we are saying these are the employees that are employed by the financial services provider to deliver or to give the service to the various customers. We also have processes. This is the distribution channel, but we are saying how are we going to deliver, or how are we going to get the service to the final consumer? But we can use indirect distribution channel or indirect marketing, or the direct distribution channel. Or the indirect distribution channel is the channel that involves the middlemen. We are saying we can use the wholesalers and the retailers in order to provide our service. Also, you have the price. This is the monetary value that is attached to a certain financial service. So we know that we have to pay insurance premiums monthly to an insurance company. So that those premiums that you pay monthly to the insurance company is the price. Okay, the product. This is actually the physical good or service that is provided by that particular financial service provider. provider. We also have the promotion. We are saying this actually have to do with the those promotions or those advertising techniques that are used by various financial services providers in order to sell their product. The physical evidence, we are saying that this is the proof or the documentation involved in the provision of financial services that will show that indeed this is the owner of this account or this is the owner of this financial service. Okay, now let's look at a practice question whereby we are going to look at we are going to explain briefly the following marketing theories. These theories basically are related to the 7 P's or the 7 P's of marketing mix. So that is SWOT analysis, Pestel theory, BCG matrix, and stakeholder mapping. These theories are related to the 7 P's of financial marketing. So we have to briefly explain these theories. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.